I'm requesting to everyone, please close your mic and close your cameras. Anita ma'am, please close your camera. Yes, so we will collected here to join the meeting, that is setting learning outcomes in teaching and learning. So here, first of all, we will come to know about the topic. What does it mean? क्या होता है learning outcome and from where it comes? So first of all, we will come to know about the learning. May I know to everyone that what will be the synonyms of learning? क्या और अलग नाम से इसको हम बुला सकते हैं? यूनिट टेक्स्ट. So many words can be there for learning, like achieving, gaining, knowledge aspects. So learning can also be the different parts in different teachers. Yes, Felicia said it is good. We can also say that learning is a process of change in behavior as a result of past experiences. It means whenever we have learned each and everything, we grasped anything, we learned anything, and its result will be shown in the present form. Means whenever we are learning, maybe it will be in the present form or it may be in the past form, we will achieve the thing. And what will be the result of it? That result only shown in present time. It cannot be shown in the past or it cannot be shown in the future. Only the result may be there in the present time. So we come on the word outcome. What does it mean, outcome? क्या आप लोग समझते हैं कि आउटकम क्या है? क्या उसको अलग नाम से बोल सकते हैं? What can be called with another name? Yes, Fadianu sir has messaged that it is result. Yes, result. Means whatever the student or whatever the learners have been done from the teaching, from the learning, from the experience, that will become in the form of result. That will be come out in front of the teacher in the form of experiences. So outcome means level of performances or achievement. Outcomes may all call the achievement. Whatever the learner has been learned and what they have achieved, that will be only their outcomes. If we will say that it can be processed like input, process or output. Means input means the teacher. The teacher is giving the knowledge to the learner or to the person, to the student. Then they are giving through the learning, through the teaching. Processing. Processing means achieving. Whatever the thing, the knowledge has been given to the students or the learners, they are engaged in learning, in accepting the things in their minds. Means they are achieving, they are getting the knowledge and they are supposed to give the answers. So that will be called the process. And here the third step, output. Output and outcome is little bit different. Output can be the result as product. Means if an organization has conducted the examination, so each and every student will be there to be passed out and to get the result at the end of the session. So that will be the output. Means the teachers, those who were engaged in the school, they have given the knowledge to the learners, to the students, and their result in the form of product have been collected by the learners. That will be called the output. But What will be the outcome? Outcome means as after the result, we are there to make the list that who achieved the highest marks, who achieved the second person, who were there, who get the 90%, 95%. So that will be the outcome. In the another word, we can say that outcome is quality. So output can achieve by anyone, but only it can be qualified by the quantity. It can be counted as the quantity. तो आउटपुट हम लोग सब लोग गेन कर सकते हैं, सब लोग को मिल सकता है. Like we are doing the seminars, we are doing the webinars, we are doing the COEs, webinars, Saroja. So there we are getting the assessment link. And if we have learned properly through the webinars and the seminars, then we are there to give the answers. We are going to assess them. Sorry, we are going to assess ourselves through the questions, through the questionnaires. So there, that will be the result of our outcomes. Means we are getting the marks. If we are achieving 90%, 60% or 40%, or we are getting the 85%, that will be the outcomes of our learning. So I think it will be clear to you. Yes. Now you are there to see the slide. So here the next slide will be opened. Yes, here the first point is learning outcomes. What will be the learning outcomes we have done? So what the work will be there to do at first before giving the knowledge to the learner. That is the main thing, that is planning of training. Means first of all we have to do the planning. We generally do it now. We generally write in the lesson planner. So that will be the main point to do it, to continue the learning or write it. Means we have to make the plan. What we will do to the students, what will be the objectives for the students, and what will be the main topic and the questions for the students, those who will be able to complete them. That first step is learning outcome. When we will able to write each and everything, when we will plan, then only learning outcome will be able to justify or to find out. The second point is task and topic analysis. Suppose we have collected the one topic, means in English language we have collected the tense to teach them. So tense is a vast chapter, so it doesn't mean that only the tenses will be there. So we need to analyze the topic. We should make the part of that particular topic. Suppose present tense, past tense, and future tense. And in all these tenses, we are also the bifurcation, the parts, the subparts, like the present indefinite, the present continuous, present perfect continuous, and present continuous. So here are the topic analysis and the task. So we should verify them. We should give the topic analysis to them. One by one, gradually we should teach them to the students. It will be convenient for them. The third one is sequencing and chunking. Sequencing and chunking. It means that whatever we have chunked. Chunk means churn or mix or convert the things. Means the things are not systematically, the chapters are not systematically, the subparts are not particularly defined. So we will make the sequence of these particular chapters or the subparts. Then only the learning point will be there or the teaching point will be there to explain to the teacher. Make a session plan, introduction, body, and conclusion. So in short, we can say that we need to make the lesson planner, the introduction of the chapter, the body of the subpart, and the conclusion of the chapter. Next slide, please. Yes, here is the next slide. Some benefits of learning outcomes. अब हम कोई चीज सीख रहे हैं तो उसका हमको बेनिफिट होना जरूरी है. इट एंगेज द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज बिना बेनिफिट के कोई भी चीज हमको नहीं प्राप्त होती है. तो ऐसे ही स्टूडेंट्स, लर्नर भी सोचता है कि हमको क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा कि हम ये चीज सीखें. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा होता है सेलेक्ट कंटेंट. The teacher should need to collect the content. If the content, the sufficient content will not be there, then we will not be able to explain the chapter. So it is needed to collect the content properly. Second point is develop instructional strategy. Instructional strategy means we should make the strategy, we should make the plan over the instruction. This type of instruction we should give. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना कि हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में पास्ट टेंस के रूल्स बता दें. तो हमको प्रॉपरली इंस्ट्रक्शन देना होगा स्टूडेंट्स को, वो हमको क्रिएट करना होगा, डेवलप करना होगा हमारे ही लर्निंग के साथ. Develop and select instructional materials. If we are not having the sufficient materials, then we will not be able to teach them properly. So we should create the development, we should create the materials, then only we will have the sufficient learning method and sufficient learning points. The next point is construct tests and other instruments for assessing and evaluating. Gradually, when we are giving the teaching to the students, then how we will conduct the outcomes, how we will come to know that the outcomes are there, then this will be only through the test or the instruments. Instrument means the pen paper test, the projects, the